Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then again 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P A M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So here is one division, here is one division, and here is one division. So all have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So first we have to solve this division. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Divide 6, divide 2. Now 3 divided by 6 can be written as 3 upon 6 divide 2. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So is equal to 1 upon 2 divide 2. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 1 upon 2 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 multiply 1 to 1. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So 1 upon 4 is the correct answer, okay? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.